Hello everyone, welcome back to Nana English Daily. Today is a difficult day. Grandma is not feeling very well.
I don't feel very well today. I feel tired and a little weak. I think I need some rest.
Oh no, Grandma. You should sit down and get plenty of rest.
Don't worry.
I am here to help you. Don't worry, Grandma. I will take good care of you today. You have a slight fever, Grandma, but don't worry. I will take good care of you today. You need plenty of rest. Here you are, Grandma. Please drink it slowly while it is still warm. I made it especially for you.
Thank you, Grandpa. This tea feels very comforting. It is helping me relax.
Now it is time for your medicine. I hope it helps you feel better soon. After this, you should get some more rest. Let's keep you warm and comfortable. You need plenty of rest today. I will take care of everything. Grandma needs something warm and healthy. I think I will make homemade vegetable soup. It will help her feel better.
Fresh vegetables make healthy soup. I want Grandma to have a good meal today. Cooking with love always makes food taste better. The soup smells wonderful. I hope Grandma enjoys it. It is almost ready.
The soup is ready, Grandma. I made it especially for you. I hope it helps you feel stronger.
This soup looks wonderful. Thank you for taking care of me today. It smells delicious.
Grandma always takes care of me. Today, it is my turn to take care of her. I am happy to help her.
I feel much better now. Thank you for everything today. I am very lucky to have you.
Thank you for spending time with us today. We hope you enjoyed this story. Take care and see you next time.